Say hi, birthday boy.
Hello everybody, this is Valencia and welcome to my channel Balloons and Business, where I show you the business of balloon and event decor. So this past weekend was my son Kai's 4th birthday. And him being my only child, I like to go all out on his birthday party. So as you can see, I'm blowing up a lot of balloons because I got a lot of little decorations I'm going to be making for this party. So this is a BLIPPI theme party and the colors are orange, light blue, royal blue, and white. And right now I'm making some balloon columns. So I'm using my 9-inch balloon sizer to size me out some balloons, tying them into dupes. And then I'm going to take my 2 dupes and twist them into a flat cluster of 4 balloons. And I ended up making 9 of these per column. So if you want a more detailed tutorial on how I make my balloon columns, and this includes how I make my balloon column stand, I do have a few videos on how I did that in both the standard columns as well as organic columns. So you can check those out. So I'm going to take one neck from one balloon in the top cluster and one neck from a balloon in the bottom cluster, and I'm going to tie them together. And that's how I'm connecting those clusters, okay? And again, I made 9 of those clusters per balloon column, and those stands are 5 feet tall. So now I'm getting ready to make a couple of table centerpieces. So I'm going to take my 7-inch balloon sizer, and I'm pretty much going to do the same thing. Tie some balloons into dupes and then twist them together into a cluster of 4. By the way, I will have the sizes and the brands of the balloons listed in the description box. So I'm going to be taking some 5-inch decorators and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm running them through that 4-inch sizer and I'm going to tie them into dupes and twist them into clusters of 4. Now, as you can see, I'm doing a pattern with the blue balloons, light blue and dark blue interchanged. So these are my balloon column stands that I got off of Amazon. Check the description box for that link. And they come with 5 1-foot pieces, but I'm only going to be using 2 of those pieces because it's only going to be 2 feet tall. And I'm basically connecting these clusters the same way I did for the balloon column stands, just tying the necks of the balloons together. 1 neck from one balloon in the top cluster to 1 neck from one balloon in the bottom cluster, and the same thing with the little balloons at the top. And I'm using 260 balloons to connect those foil balloons onto the top of that centerpiece as well as the balloon columns. So I blew up all these balloons because I'm going to be making about 3 balloon garlands. So first I'm going to start off with the cake table. I put up a white vinyl backdrop that I hung on there with backdrop clips at the top, and on the sides I put duct tape to keep them onto the pole so that the wind won't be blowing it everywhere. And again, this is BLIPPI themed, so the hallmark of BLIPPI is his glasses and his bow tie, as well as the colors orange and blue. And I use my Cricut machine to make all of my little cutouts. Now later on, I'm going to be putting a balloon garland on top of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So of course my son was the star of the birthday party, but this came in second place. This Sierra wall backdrop. I painted my walls white and orange, and I used some vinyl decals for the polka dots. And I had the signs custom made by Etsy as well as the BLIPPI cutout. Now I did do a separate video on how I made this balloon garland, so check the description box for the link to that video. So here's the finished product to the decorations for Kai's BLIPPI theme 4th birthday party. And of course, Kai had a blast. We had a water slide, kiddie pool, piñata, and Kai looked so cute in that BLIPPI themed outfit. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead on and like it, and please subscribe, and you'll get notifications on future videos on balloon and event decor. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.